Drones have been around for a while now and have been used for various purposes. But with the continuous advancements in technology, the potential uses of drones are expanding rapidly. In this video, we will take a look at some of the present and future uses of drones. Delivering packages. One of the most exciting uses for drones in the future is delivery. With companies such as Amazon and Walmart already testing the use of drones for delivery purposes, it is likely to become a reality in the near future. The use of drones for delivery has many potential benefits, including reducing the number of delivery vehicles on the road, faster delivery times, lower costs, and lower pollution. This will result in a more efficient delivery system and better air quality, freeing up more time for people to do other things. Studying wildlife. Drones have the potential to revolutionize the way we study wildlife. They can provide a unique perspective on animal behavior, habitats, and migration patterns that would be difficult or impossible to obtain with traditional methods. The use of drones in wildlife studies will allow researchers to gather data more efficiently and in a less intrusive manner, helping to protect both the animals and their habitats. Drones equipped with cameras, thermal imaging sensors, and other tools can provide valuable insights into the lives of animals, helping us to better understand and conserve wildlife populations. Drones in agriculture. The use of drones in agriculture is poised to have a major impact on the industry. Precision agriculture, where drones equipped with sensors are used to monitor crop health, detect pests, and spray crops, is already becoming a reality. In the future, drones will play an even greater role in helping farmers to produce higher yields while reducing costs and minimizing the use of pesticides. By focusing on the areas of a field that require the most attention, drones will help to improve crop productivity and safety while reducing production expenses. Expand internet access. Solar-powered drones have the potential to expand internet access to remote areas. A network of drones, equipped with internet links, could beam internet connectivity to users in remote location, bringing the benefits of the internet to people who would otherwise be left behind. This will have a profound impact on education, healthcare, and economic development in remote communities, helping to bridge the digital divide and improve quality of life. Filming. Drones are becoming increasingly popular as marketing tools, and the trend is set to continue. With the ability to capture high-quality images and videos quickly and affordably, drones are an ideal solution for businesses looking to create unique, captivating content. Real estate firms, tourist resorts, schools, motion picture studios, and many other industries will use drones to show potential customers the structures, facilities, and neighborhoods that they are interested in. The ability of drones to take photos and videos from any angle and from all directions makes them an ideal choice for creating engaging and informative marketing content. So there you have it, some of the current and future uses of drones. Most of these are already in place in some way or form. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for future videos on tech and its unbelievable gadgets.